So I've just been out with the Team Magic, put 3 batteries through it, 2 on the grass, just driving around, doing some jumps over bits of grass and mounds and hills and stuff. And then I went on the skate park for the last battery pack, and obviously it's broken. So we've snapped another arm, and I've got one more set of arms left. This is my last set of arms. So I've now broken, I think this is arm number 4 or 5, probably 5, maybe even 6. So yeah, it was a rear one this time, which is interesting. So pretty easy fix, just 5 bolts and screw this in, then we're done. That's for the shock and the bottom of there, and obviously take the pin out. So should be fixed in a couple of minutes. Other than that, it ran pretty well. It was really wet outside today, very muddy, but I've cleaned it up, and it doesn't tend to get too dirty on the inside, this, so it's done alright. And just like that, good as new, ready to go again. Excellent.